Oh, hey there, Florida Gators. It's me, Miss Murphy, welcoming you to another day of distance learning at our morning meeting. So nice to see all of you today tuning in to morning meeting, and I'm really excited to get this day started. We have lots of exciting things to do today. It is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. We are almost halfway through the month of May. I feel like that went really fast. So today's Thursday, yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Friday. And we're 143 days smarter, right? Yesterday we had 142 days in school, and now we added one more for today, so we've got 143 days. Let's do our school chant together to get our day started right, okay? So I'm going to read the words on the screen. You can say it along with me, or you can repeat after me. But either way, I want to hear you say it loud and proud because you are a Prodeo scholar and you are somebody. Ready? I am somebody. I was somebody when I came in. Let me hear you. And I'll be a better somebody when I leave. I am powerful. I am strong. I deserve the education that I get here. I have things to do, people to impress, and places to go. I am somebody. Great job, Gators. Some of you I can hear really loud and proud. That's awesome. Let's check out our morning message for today. It says, Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Good morning, creative counters. How are you enjoying the season of spring? Do you have a favorite season of the year? I like each season for different reasons. Today, we will practice our math skills by creating another graph. Love, Miss Murphy. So we read in the morning message, it's asking us, do you have a favorite season of the year? Well, do you? Remember we sang the Seasons of the Year song back in one of our earlier units when we were learning about life on the farm? I remember a lot of you really liked the Seasons of the Year song and would sing it. So if you need help remembering the seasons, you can sing the Seasons of the Year song to yourself, right? We have fall, winter, spring, and summer. Right now we're in spring, and some of you might be really liking spring because it's getting warmer and the grass is growing and there's flowers coming up, but maybe your favorite season is a different season. You can share with someone at home, or you can stop into office hours and share what your favorite season is with me. All right, and just like the morning message said, we are going to do a math challenge today by creating a graph. We practiced this skill last week, and now we're going to do it a little bit different, right? We're going to learn some new skills again today. So we have a fishbowl here, and our job is to count the number of each type of fish and graph. So here our graph is already set up. We have some fish down here, and each fish in the fishbowl is drawn here. Now, if you check out, if you check out the bottom of our, sorry, I'm gonna move this up a little bit because we need to be able to see our numbers. If you look at the bottom of the graph, you'll see that there are numbers to show how many, right? So just like last week, we're going to fill in our graph so that we can see how many fish there are in an organized way. So let's start by counting this little guy, right? I'm going to color them as we count so that we don't lose track. I see one here. 1, 2. Nice. Do you see any more of those guys, the long boys? I don't either. So how many squares should I color on the graph? 2, right? I'm going to color 2 squares because there are 2 of this type of fish, right? This is an organized way to show information. I know there are 2 of the long fish. Fabulous. Let's try this guy with the stripes, right? I see one right here. Do you see any more of those guys with the stripes? I think he's the only one. Oh my goodness, poor guy, he's alone. All right, so how many squares do I color for this fish? just one, right? Because our squares down here are going to show the number of fish that we see in the fishbowl. Fabulous. I'm going to switch colors. How about this guy? He's got some polka dots on him. Go ahead and look for those fish in the fishbowl and count them. 1, 2, 3, here's another one, 4, and 5. Do you see any more? I don't think so either. So how many of those guys did we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many squares am I going to fill in on our graph? You got it, 5 squares. So it's got to match our picture, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of that, boy. Let's move on to the jellyfish. Go ahead and count the jellyfish, and I'll cross them off. 1, 2, 3 jellyfish. Do you see any more? Hold up the number of fingers to show how many squares I should color on our graph. Did you say 3? You got it, right? Because we have 3 jellyfish in the bowl. 1, 2, 3. If I was doing this on paper, I would color these squares a lot neater, but it's kind of tricky on the computer. Okay, so we've got 3 there. Now the last fish, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness. How many squares should I color in? So you guys are good at graphing. You're getting the hang of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wow, that one goes the whole way across. Now we've organized all of our information, so it's easier to tell how many fish we have of each kind. So this question says, what fish do you see the most of? I bet you can tell really quickly. Point to the fish that we have the most of. Did you point to this guy all the way at the bottom? Yeah, I know that there's the most because this line goes all the way out to 6. It goes farther than the other ones. Next question, ready? Which fish do you see the fewest of? Remember, few means less, right? So the fewest means the smallest number. Which one has the smallest number? Go ahead and point to it. You got it. The fish we colored in red has the fewest, right? There's only one of those guys. Fabulous job. I love how making a graph helps us organize information so that it's way easier to answer questions about what we see. All right, so let's take a look at our work for today. It's week 6. Thursday should be at the top for you today. So you're already in your morning message. Nice job. You're going to complete 1 Dreambox and 2 Lexia lessons today. You're going to watch your phonics video and complete your workbook along with it. Watch math video lesson 26 and do your problem set with the video. And then you're going to get to watch a deep dive lesson on nouns and pronouns with Miss Murphy. It's going to be a lot of fun, so make sure to click on that one. Once you're done with all of your lessons, you can click this link for Thoughtful Thursday. There's a fun video for you to watch. You can do that either as a brain break to take a break, or you can do it when you're all done with your other work. Come visit me in office hours at 1:30 and say hello, or if you need any help with your homework, you can come and ask questions and we can work through it together. It was so nice to see your faces this morning, Gators. I miss you so much. I know you're going to do a great job with distance learning today. See you later.